Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload Instagram Reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, if you want to create an Instagram Reel, we can click on this plus button and we will have some options, and since we want to create a Reel, we can choose Reel. Okay, and here you can upload a video or photo from your device to be uploaded to Instagram as Instagram Reel. You can also take a new video by clicking on this camera like this, and then you can take a video with this Instagram camera. And I'm just going to upload video from my device, guys. For instance, I'm just going to upload this video. Alright, and before we upload our Instagram Reel, we will be able to add audio and add text or maybe voiceover to our Reel. It's up to you. You can edit your Reel as creative as you can. And for example, I'm just going to add audio to my Instagram Reel. I'm gonna select this audio. Okay, and we can also add sticker, folder, or maybe evac. It's up to you guys. And once you're ready to upload this Instagram Reel, you can click on next. Okay, and you can edit the Reel cover. If you want to change the cover, you can click on edit cover, and then you can crop profile image, or maybe you can add from your camera roll, and after that you can click on done. You can also write caption for your Reel and tag people, add location. You can also manage the audience of your Instagram Reel. Then once you're ready to share this Instagram Reel to your Instagram, you can click on share and the Reel will be uploaded to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can upload Instagram Reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.